So that's where disinterestedness comes. If you can little bit keep it attached and say everything that I do, I'm just doing it as an offering. Nothing I expect out of it. Like even this exercise that we are doing, there is no expectation here. It's just an offering. If something touches you, touches you. That's it.
Aren't very productive, and they just have a sense of, that they kind of actually end up tearing the community down, So I just wondered on that kind of practical way, as a newcomer or whatever, do you need to go to these kind of group meetings and regularly?
I can quickly answer that.
Yes, there are meeting happens, and you don't have to go there all the time. You can also submit your thought, what you think about it, in a different medias of writing on the card or sending an email, and that will be accepted as well. So it's not compulsory.
I'm not trying to be community minded, but I just have seen how that difficult.
So for yeah.
Right.
We get it. We have a lot of small working groups, and they grow. They are more in action. So you will be.
And kind of just exploring more about Auroville, understanding if there is any way that I can maybe contribute and play a part in its growth.
I'm also into the Auroville Theatre Group, just playing a few roles in it.
Auroville Theatre?
Auroville Theatre Group.
Theatre Group, yeah.
And so I would like to know more about volunteering and the transition from being a volunteer to newcomer to what is being an Auroville here. So lots of questions in my head in deeper level, but I don't want to ask questions now because I want to know more.
Yeah.
Then questions from there maybe.
Yes.
To be here and be a part of something that is already so well established versus taking it somewhere that maybe needs it more. And I'm feeling like I need to do the latter, so I guess I'm here sort of being inspired.
Yes. I am a researcher and my PhD topic is quantum yoga, quantum science of
Quantum
consciousness.
yoga.
Yes, and I am here to research this more. And now I decided to expand it more, few months more, and I want to know whole path of volunteering, inner member, and then after it, and specifically for my field also. Every work is yoga, but specifically yoga and practicing yoga like Pitanga and other centers. So how to be a volunteer there, what is the route and how I can be.
Upasana studio in the Banyan forest. This lady started the work here 13 years, yeah? Something
30 years.
30 years. 30 years.
Yeah.
So, just wanted to say how beautiful that was.
Thank you.
And also how inspiring that is possible to create your heart's work here in Auroville. It has a potential for starting something new, working in a new way. Stage in life where I'm looking for a new life now, timing and
Like she said, you go and see Upasana. I invite you to visit the campus, the beauty she has created, and see the old pictures, how it was before. So, in that sense, that's the idea of inviting
Transformation happens in Auroville. I started with 200,000 rupees idea and organization, and 25 years down the line, It has become a center where conscious clothing conversation went national.
It is part of the textbook actually.
So
for
today it is everywhere. People are talking about eco fashion, conscious fashion. Spark of it sits in the forest of Auroville. So
See,
that's the impact
yeah.
you make. And it not everything goes visible as we think it will go visible. But there is a transformation is happening, is given. And many things is happening inside us which we are still yet to figure it out.
But she came with that expectation to become. For example, we were pioneers in many things like solar energy. Even e-vehicles. We were running in Auroville in 90s when that was not even talk of the town. So solar kitchen for that matter, biggest solar-based cooking. So again, it is need-based. It is to serve. There is a gap in the collective which somebody thought of filling it. A collective kitchen. Again, with electricity was scarce back then. So what is the source? So they built it, and now it's a model which is studied people, students from all around the world. We are a mecca almost for also this architect students from India. Definitely make it a point to come to our beautiful success story. I take your point. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you everyone.
everybody.
Thank you for coming.